Good morning, students of class 6. So this one previous part I have given answer related with exercise 4.7. So today I am going to discuss exercise related with exercise 4.8. My dear students, you have studied 5 class also LCM and HCF. So first question is there, find the HCF. Find the HCF of the following. First, C I am going to say. Find the HCF 90 and find the HCF of the following. What I am telling my dear students, you have studied. There are two types to find HCF. Division method, so and factor method. Question is 90 and 102. So first I am using division method. Division method. Division method. My dear student, how can you? 90 is there, 112 divide. 102 is there. One time 90 will come. 1. Now what it is coming? 90, 84, 6. Now again 12. 6 into 2, 12. So HCF is equal to what is that? 6 is equal. This is division method. First method. Yes, sir. Now you can use second method. Second method. That is prime factor method. Prime factor method. How you will do prime factor method? So you have studied my dear student 90. Write it to 45. Again, what you will write? 3. What it will come? 50. Again 3. What it will come? 5. Again 5. Then 1. It is finished. Now 102. When we will get to 2, 51, 2 not divisible, 3, 17, and again 17 is prime number, so 17. Now my dear student, what do you think? See this one. In this way you got, so 90 is equal to what you will write? 90 is equal to, you will write the factor of 90 is 1, 2, 3, 3 and 5. Remove. And 102 what you will write? 1 into 1 is the factor of every number, into 2, into 3, into 17. Which is common? 1, 2 and 3. HCF, which is common? 1 into 2 into 3, that is equal to 6 is 0. It is clear. Both, whether you are using division method, whether you are using long division, prime factor method, answer will come. So one my dear student I have done. So next I am going to solve. But my dear student, now I will use division method, both methods. So now second question is there, A. Next question is there, J. J, what is there? 12, 45 and 75. My dear student, here the smallest number is 12. 12 if you will divide, with 45, what it will come? 12. 3 times 36, 4 times it will become 48 to 36. What is there? 9. 9 again divide with 12. What is there? 3. 3 again divide with 9. What it will come? 3 into 3, what it will get? 9. It means now again 3 divide 75. The next number is 75. So 3 by 2, 3 into 2, 6, 1 and 5. 5 into 3, 15. What is your SCF? Therefore SCF is equal to 3. 3 is here. 3 is your J I have done. Now my dear student, one more question I am going to solve. Here I am using division method. That must keep in your mind. First I have done with 2 methods, but now I know 30, 45 and 60. See this one, how you can solve? 30 right? Here smallest number 30, 45 divide division do. 1 time it will go 30, or what is there? Subtract. Now 15 again 30 divide, 2 times it will go. It is clear. Now see this one here, 30, 15. Now 15 again divide with 60. So how many times it will go? 4 times. 15 into 4, 60. Therefore HCF is equal to 15. This is your answer. It is clear. Understood? Now second question is there. I am going to solve second question. Find the LCM of the following. Second, find the LCM of the following. It is clear. So first I am going to solve first A. 3 number I am solving. First, second C, 24, 36 and 40. What it will do? See this one, C is there. To find LCM, first you use a smallest prime 2, 3, 5, 7, and at least 2 numbers should be divisible with the same digit. So see this one here 2. What you will write? 12. What you will write? 18 and 40 divided by 2. 1. Now 2, 6, 9 and 10. Now is it divisible by 2 again? Yes, 2, 3, 9 and 5. Again 3, 1, 3 and 5. Therefore LCM is equal to what you will write? LCM is equal to, sorry beta, here what is writing? LCM is equal to, you write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 3 into 5. 5 into 3, 15, 15, 45, 45 into 2, 90, 90 to 180, 180 into 2, 360. So 360 is their answer. It is clear? It is clear? Now my dear student, second C I have done. One more I will solve. One more J. See this one. Find the value LCM of 50, 30, 50, 30 and 40. 50, 30. See this one. All numbers, all these 3 numbers are divisible by 2. So when 2 you are writing, it will become 25, 50 and 20. Now again, what you will do? Is it divisible by 2 anymore? No. Now 3? No. Then what? 5, 5, 5, 3 and 5. It will come 4. 20 divided by, so this one 25 divided by 5, 50 divided by 5, 3, 20 divided by 4. Now no more, therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 4. What we will write? 4 into 3, 12. 12 5, 60. 12 into 5, 60. 60 into 5, 60 into 5, 300 into 2, 600. 600. This is your, it is clear? Now that I have done. Now my dear student, question number second. Question number second. And the above question is given. Find the smallest 3-digit number. Find the smallest 3-digit number which is divisible by 6, 9 and 12. So my dear student, what you will do in this one? First you write a smallest 3-digit number. That is equal to 100. LCM divisible, LCM of 6, 9 and 12. First you find out LCM. This number 100 should be divisible by 6, 9 and 12. So what you will do? First you will find out LCM. So to find out LCM, at least two numbers should be divisible. 2, what it will come? 3, 9 and 6. Again it is not divisible by 2, then 3, 1, 3 and 2. Therefore, LCM of 6, 9 and 12. That is equal to 2 into 3 into 1 into 3 into 2. What we will write, my dear student? 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 3, 18 into 2, 30. LCM. Now it should be divisible. So first 36 you divide with 100. How many times it will go? 2 times. 70. What is left? Subtract. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 2, 20. Difference. Remainder minus quotient. Remainder difference. Difference is equal to 36 minus 28. What it will come? 8. Therefore, required number, see this one. 100 is not divisible by 36. So what is therefore required number? Required number means the number which is divisible by 9, 6 and 12. That is 100 is the number plus 8 is that is equal to 108. This is your answer. It is clear? Now this one I have done third. Now question number 8. Question number 8. Please now. Question number 8. There are 3 bells tall at the interval of 9, 12 and 15. So first you LCM of 9, 12 and 15. Please listen. What you are going to do? LCM. So it is divisible by 3, 6, 4 and 5. Therefore LCM of 9, 12 and 15 is equal to 3 into 3 into 4 into 5. 5 into 4, 20. 20 into 3, 60. 180 seconds. The unit is here seconds. So now seconds change into 180 by 60 because 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So change into minutes. What is your answer? See this one. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. What is there? After 3 minutes, the bell will again come. After 3 minutes, the bell will. The question is asking, determine the 3 bells toll at the interval of 9, 12 and 15. After what interval of time will they toll together? So they toll together It is clear? Now my dear student, I am going to close this chapter. Now if you have problem, next day you ask whatever the problem, I will help you.